So a lot of our sites have to do with looking at the canal water upstream and downstream of the canals and where it discharges into the river. We'll sample the water in the canal, and then we'll sample the water in the stream just below the canal where we discharge, so we can kind of get a view of what the water looks like.
We're at the Hanson Feeder Canal, Big Thompson upstream site right now, up Big Thompson Canyon. Because this river is a little uneven and it doesn't have a solid geometry, we did a multi-point grab. So 6 samples with the bottles, and while that was happening we were getting physical data with the multi-parameter SON, conductivity, temperature. So nutrients are pretty key because as they build up, they can cause algal blooms. So it's important to watch the nitrogen and the phosphorus. If you see it building up here, it's going to build up even more downstream. The same with everything else, metals and total suspended solids.
We do Hanson Feeder, Hanson Supply, Boulder Feeder, Boulder Supply, and St. Vrain Supply Canal. And for all those, we have several sites, and that's usually a day of sampling for each one. And we do that once a month for each of those. And we also do reservoir sampling once a month in the East Slope, once a month in the West Slope. And we do 1 site at Carter Lake, 3 sites at Horsetooth, and then we also do Grand Lake, Granby Lake, Shadow Mountain, Willow Creek, and Windy Gap. So when we take water quality samples in the reservoirs and streams, we have 2 labs that we take the samples to. One of them is a metals lab that we ship to Golden, Colorado, and then we have another lab that we ship samples to in Tahoe. And those 2 labs each do nutrients and metals, and we get the data back from them.